The tail. In order to show the stitches more clearly, we'll use other color yarn instead of yellow yarn for demonstration. Please refer to the stitches, ignoring the yarn's color. Take out the corresponding yarn. Working into a magic ring, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this. Make a loop around your middle finger, and pinch the crossover of the yarn with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the loop on middle finger, yarn under the hook, and pull up a loop. A magic ring is formed on the middle finger. Start with 7 chain stitches. Seven chain stitches are done. Turn, skip the first chain stitch, and work 6 single crochets from the second chain stitch to the left loops of the chains. Next, work 1 slip-stitch in the magic ring. Tighten up. Then work 5 chain stitches. Turn, skip the first chain stitch, and work 4 single crochets from the second chain stitch through the left loops of the chain. Next, work 1 slip-stitch in the magic ring. Tighten up. Then work 7 chain stitches. Turn, skip the first chain stitch, and work 6 single crochets from the second chain stitch through the left loops of the chains. Next, 1 slip-stitch in the magic ring. Tighten up. Finally, 1 chain stitch. Stretch the loop and remove the hook. Break yarn, leaving a long yarn tail for sewing. And pull the yarn tail out. Pull the short yarn tail tight to close the ring. The tail is done. Please crochet the tail with white yarn for the other parrots in the same way on your own.